So here's this little model I made. You can see there's a lot of stringiness inside there. Those little hairs. PETG is very stringy compared to a PLA that I've used. Relatively strong, but it does also have some parts which seems to have not completely filled in the top. That might be related to how fast it was going compared to what the preset is. When 80, which the manufacturer of the PLA says you can do that, but my preset from the manufacturer of the printer doesn't. You see on the bottom there's some lines there, bubbles as well. Also, it took about twice, I think even more than 2 times what the estimation in the Cure software was. Let's peel that off. Yeah, so this printer does not print as fast as what I set it at all. Peeling it off, it's going a bit difficultly. Let's push that to the side. There we go, some of the glue on the bottom. Don't think it pulled any more of the plate up, and I'll definitely put more glue, since they didn't put any glue from where the last print was. Bottom, mostly flat. Seems relatively strong, not as good as too hard though, because you can see it's flexing. It's only 10% infill, so it'd probably break if I squeeze it too hard. And you can see also the honeycomb, the lattice pattern, with the infill on the bottom. Because it's when it's cooled down, it doesn't really fill it up. And also when it was printing, you could see that there's only a very small amount of actual infill in here. So that's this. I can probably use it to put a few things in. You can see also it's not a perfect cylinder. Obviously you can't make cylinder in 3D software because you need vertices, but probably should have put some more in, because you can see actually the actual faces on the cylinder I used. So rotate it. I guess that's it for this video. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts. And if you didn't subscribe to me, like this in the future.